In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Apple Pay wallet if you're having issues with cards not showing up, payments failing, or you're just setting things up fresh. On your iPhone, go to the Settings app, scroll down and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Here, you can remove all cards by tapping Remove All Cards. To fully reset Apple Pay, go to General greater than Reset, then tap Reset Network Settings. This will also reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so be aware. If you're resetting just Apple Pay and not the whole wallet, you can also remove each card individually, then re-add them one by one. For Apple Watch users, open the Watch app, go to Wallet and Apple Pay, and remove the cards there as well. Once reset, simply open the Wallet app and start adding your cards back in. It's a great way to fix glitches or start over with a clean Apple Pay setup. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and Apple Pay guides.